All right, we want to use a Pythagorean triple to find the length of the hypotenuse of each right triangle in here. So we've got this right triangle with these two sides. So the first thing we want to do is we want to scale this thing down. And what I mean by that is we want to find what's the greatest common factor between these two things here. So if I divide this by, they're both even, so I'm going to start with 2. If I divide this by 2, I end up with the side of 5, a side length of 5, and if I divide this by 2, then I end up with a side length of 12. And so I can use Pythagorean theorem at this point, or right from the get-go, to figure out what that side is, but I can also recognize that a 5, 12, 13 is one of the most common Pythagorean triples. All right, so if a 5, 12, 13 is a Pythagorean triple that forms the sides of a right triangle, then if I multiply each of these by 2 and scale them back up to the original, then I can find my hypotenuse by multiplying this by 2 and getting 26 for my hypotenuse.